Hi, I'm Jim Brickell, and this is Getting to Know Your 2019 Ford F-150. Right now, we're sitting in the 2019 Ford F-150 Super Crew 4x4. It's the XLT trim, and in 2019, Ford sold these as good, better, and best. So this was the best package, and it comes with a lot of nice equipment on there. So you've got your power windows, power locks. These are power outside mirrors. You can choose which mirror you're going, hit the arrows to move them up, down, forward, and back. Choose the right mirror, and of course your windows are there. Your power door locks just slightly lower down, and as we come around, you've got your headlamps. So right now they're in the off, but as you turn them, you've got the on, and over here it is your automatic setting. So just put it there, set and forget. Down below, another one of the features, because it's the best version, is your power adjustable pedals. So you can move the pedals in and out to adjust to the length of your legs in your comfortable seating position. As it is the best version of the XLT, you also get a power driver seat for the driver and your front passenger, along with heated seats and a power sliding rear window. Now, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have this 5-way. It'll control the display. So right now it is showing you've got a digital speedometer. It's in kilometers per hour, but if you hit OK, it automatically switches to miles per hour. So it comes in handy when crossing the border from Canada to the United States. If we go out to the left, you have a choice of display mode, trip and fuel, towing, off-road, and your settings. So when you go down to your settings, for example, distance to empty calculation, that's DTE, can be done regular or when towing a trailer. Under your advanced settings, goes to vehicle, your oil life reset, lighting, remote start, what comes on with your remote start and how long it goes on. And MyKey, you can set up one of the keys for a beginner driver, limit the top end speed and stereo volume. And with regards to your display setup, measurement can be your liters per 100 kilometers, miles per gallon, temperature, of course, Celsius or Fahrenheit, and language can be English, French, or Spanish. So you choose what information is being displayed. Under display mode, we have our digital speedometer. Go down, it's got your engine information, your transmission temperature, your distance to empty, always a handy thing. So with a full tank of gas, this one is showing 831 kilometers to empty. As we go down below the 5-way, you've got your cruise control, so on and off, for highway use, of course. And once you've got the speed set, if you go speed plus and speed or set plus and plus set minus, it'll go up or down 1 mile per hour, depending on which way you go. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you've got your stereo controls. So your volume up and down, seek to your next strongest station, and M is for changing the media. Down below that, we have our voice activation, answering a phone call and hanging up on a phone call, and your mute switch. So with voice activation, just give a quick demonstration.
Please say a command.
FM 105.7.
Tuning to FM 105.7.
So I was able to turn on the radio just using my voice. You can also use voice.
Please say a command.
Find a place.
Searching nearby. Please say the name of the POI.
Ed Learn Ford.
Please say a line number.
1.
Please say a line number.
1.
When ready, press the voice button and then say, set as destination.
So you can set a destination or you can save it to your favorites. Now down here, you can turn the volume off or the radio off completely. And on your screen, you've got your audio, your sources, so AM, FM, Sirius, your phone. If you hit add phone, then turn your phone on, have your settings set to Bluetooth, and you would be able to pair your phone. Once again, once it's paired, you would be able to make hands-free phone calls and accept calls so you're not distracted. Navigation, while in motion, you're to use your voice control, but when parked, you can use the screen. So you can search for food, fuel, hotels. You can set things to your favorites, previous destinations, set a home address, a work address, and there's also a search feature. So if we're looking for 375, and as we're typing things in, it's trying to guess where you're going, and sure enough, I found 375 Ontario Street. If you did want to go there, you would hit start.
Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving. Please proceed to the highlighted route, and then the route guidance will start.
So it shows an arrow and an S for where your starting point and a checkered flag for your finishing point. It shows we're 40 meters away. It's 12:29, and by 12:30 we should be at our destination. So it's quite easy to use the typing in the controls or using voice on your navigation. And if you decided you did not want to go there, come back to your voice.
Please say a command.
Cancel route.
Canceling route.
So very easy to do. Now down below we have where the air is flowing, your heated seats, your temperature control, red and blue for warmer and colder. And as we pan up, little switch right here is to open and close your power sliding rear window. This has been an orientation to get you used to your new vehicle. Please let me know if you ever have any questions or any concerns. I'm Jim Brickell from Ed Learn Ford.